Folum Gaelic, learn Irish. Ceacht an Ijeg, lesson 19. On Brihur, the verb. On Aimshire Oshtanach, the future tense. The future tense is formed by adding faidh or fidh to the root of the verb. Example, Tog, lift. Togi Sean, John will lift. Buil, hit. Buili Shay, he will hit. Broad vowels in the root. A, O and U are broad vowels. When the last vowel in the root is a broad vowel, faidh is used. Slender vowels. I and D are slender vowels. When the last vowel in the root is a slender vowel, fidh is used. Brish, break. Brishy may, brishy two, brishy shay, brishy she. Brishy midge, brishy shiv, brishy shid, brish hooray. Cas, turn. Cassie may, cassie two, cassie shay, cassie she. Cassie midge, cassie shiv, cassie shid, cas hooray. Dorch, spill. Dorchy may, dorchy two, dorchy shay, dorchy she. Dorchy midge, dorchy shiv, dorchy shid, dorch hooray. Egg, die. Eggy may, eggy two, eggy shay, eggy she. Eggy midge, eggy shiv, eggy shid, egg her. Fan, wait. Fanny may, fanny two, fanny shay, fanny she. Fanny midge, fanny shiv, fanny shid, fan her. Gar, laugh. Gari may, gari two, gari shay, gari she. Gari midge, gari shiv, gari shid, gar her. Eek, pay. Iki may, iki two, iki shay, iki she. Iki midge, iki shiv, iki shid, ik hooray. Lawak, shoot. Lawaki may, lawaki two, lawaki shay, lawaki she. Lawaki midge, lawaki shiv, lawaki shid, lawak hooray. Mook, extinguish. Mookie may, mookie two, mookie shay, mookie she. Mookie midge, mookie shiv, mookie shid, mook hooray. Knee, wash. Nihi may, nihi two, nihi shay, nihi she. Nihi midge, nihi shiv, nihi shid, nihi hooray. Bowl, drink. Oli may, oli two, oli shay, oli she. Oli midge, oli shiv, oli shid, all hooray. Pig. Picky may, picky two, picky shay, picky she. Picky midge, picky shiv, picky shid, pick her two. Rih, run. Rihi may, rihi two, rihi shay, rihi she. Rihi midge, rihi shiv, rihi shid, rih hooray. Shriek, reach. Shriki may, shriki two, shriki shay, shriki she. Shriki midge, shriki shiv, shriki shid, shriek hooray. Till, burn. Tilly may, tilly two, tilly shay, tilly she. Tilly midge, tilly shiv, tilly shid, till hooray. Ung, anoint. Ungi may, ungi two, ungi shay, ungi she. Ungi midge, ungi shiv, ungi shid, hooray, hooray. Habershi. Sentences. Rihi shay sawaraton amarak. He will run in the marathon tomorrow. Ni hogi may and train. I won't take the train. On Dilly Shay Duish on a Winchworth, will he earn a prize from his teacher? Ni Gari Shay Gobrach, he won't laugh forever. Shriki Midge Narelti La Wan, we will reach the stars one day. On Bicky 2 Nehivraka Don Cranker, will you pick the numbers for the lottery? On Rishi Shi Atust Urihe, will she break her sponsored silence? Knocknolly 2 Pinto Yum, won't you drink a pint with me? Kasi and Dorn are Aish Kubrak. On Fieration, the earth will spin on its axis forever. Is that true? Ichi Padar and Billion, Peter will pay the bill. Shinjira the Captain Ejag. That's the end of lesson 19. Slán go foil. Bye for now. Tog Kuboge, take it easy. Fulham Gael, the Gael R. Learn Irish with Gael R.